Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back. Today I'm talking about what I do for healthy hair. Most of the questions that I get are hair related, and it's always like, what products do you use? How do you keep your hair healthy, especially after you color it so much? And so I decided today to dedicate this video on everything that I do. You know, all the products I use, steps that I take to maintain healthy hair that looks good, feels good, and hopefully that'll help you guys out. So if you guys aren't a hair professional, I definitely recommend, first and foremost, seeing a professional for your hair coloring and bleaching, because I've been through that. I've gone through the experience of doing it myself, and it looked okay in the beginning until it didn't look okay, and yeah, that was a mess. That took a while to fix, and I started seeing my hairstylist, Chris Weber. He's been my hair savior. He has definitely taken it from like cotton candy texture like silky smooth nice texture. So I see him probably every 5 weeks, and so we do my roots, and he does baby lights, which are just little, you know, little highlights all over the head, and it looks really blended. I have actual like bits and pieces in here of like really dark brown hair still, because it's just blended so nicely that it looks like it's all like yellowy blonde that I have right now, but that's not the case. And I always have a root. I've never had a bleach out with Chris, and it's just more damaging for my hair. Plus I'd have to go see him probably more often because I'd have like a really strong root. This way I'd have like a nice gradient root that I can rock for a few weeks longer, and I'm totally cool with that. If you don't have it already, find a hair professional that you can work with and go on a journey to beautiful healthy hair with, because they know what they're doing and they will get you there. But it is a journey. So the second thing that I do is I don't wash my hair that often. I never wash my hair. I'm just joking, I do. I wash my hair probably like 2 times a week, because you produce this natural oil, and if you wash it constantly, you're gonna dry out your hair. Your locks, the ends will feel so much more brittle and dry. If your hair just gets crazy greasy and you need to wash it every day, I'm gonna tell you something. You can train your hair to be less greasy. You can. I believe in you. You can do it. So what you gotta do is you gotta wash it less, because if you overwash your hair, as soon as you wash it, your scalp is going into crazy producing oil mode, and the more you wash it, the more oil it produces. So don't wash it as much. That's the moral of the story. If your hair is super greasy, use a dry shampoo for a couple of days, just tough it out, and maybe the first week will be hard, the second, but you will eventually produce less grease. Try it. So the third thing is to invest in good products that you know work. But what's important to have is a nourishing, hydrating shampoo, a deep conditioner, maybe a couple different brands that you like, and also leave-in treatment afterwards. And those all really help in maintaining healthy, soft-feeling hair. So most of the products I use are by Kevin Murphy, and my hairdresser, Chris, introduced me to him, not personally, but his products. I just fell in love with them. He uses them in his salon, Vanilla Loft, and I just get them there as well. So the shampoo I use is this guy right here. It's by Kevin Murphy, and this is the Repair Me Wash. It's a reconstructing, strengthening shampoo. It cleans your hair but also rebuilds fragile hair. How does it do it? I'm not sure. I'm not that great at science, but it does work. Yeah, and all his products smell really great. They smell like a bit fruity, and there's like a floral tinge in there, and it's just really nice. Okay, so this guy right here is one of my faves for sure. If I had to choose out of all of the products, this would probably be on the top of my list. And so this is the Restore. It's a repairing cleansing treatment. So this is a 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. So you just use this when you're in the shower, and so what you do is you put it on, you leave it on for 2 to 3 minutes, and then you wash it out, and your hair just, oh, feels so good. So freaking soft. One time I just used this for like 2 weeks straight, and then I noticed my hair was getting too greasy, and I was like, oh, maybe I should actually shampoo it with shampoo. So if you don't do that, you're good. Just follow the directions 1 to 2 times a week, and you'll be solid. A really important thing to do if you have processed hair is to use a deep conditioner. If I wash my hair twice a week, which I usually do, I will use the Restore for one of the washes, and then for the second wash, I'd use a deep conditioner. The first deep conditioning treatment that I use is by Olaplex. I'm sure many of you know what this miracle product is, if you get your hair professionally done, they're most likely using Olaplex, is magic in a bottle. I don't know what this is for, but yeah, magic in a bottle, this little thing here. Olaplex has like bond building technology. It's patented, it's crazy shit, and it really works. And so there's 3 steps. This is the last step. The first 2 steps usually happen in a salon. And then this little guy you take home with you. Well, you buy it. I got this one at Vanilla Loft, my hairdresser salon in North Vancouver. I take this home with me and use this, and it just helps repair the hair even more, especially after you just colored your hair. So this you only use usually 1 time a week. I use it 1 time a week. So before you shampoo and condition your hair, you use this product right here. It even says on the bottle it's not a conditioner, it's a bond builder. It builds bonds and it makes your hair really strong. So what you do is you get your hair wet, you towel dry it, get it damp, and then you put this on it and you leave it on for 10 minutes minimum. Longer if you want to, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, whatever. Go watch a show, go cook some food, and then come back and go in the shower and then shampoo and condition your hair. And so this is a treatment. It works wonderfully. The second deep conditioning treatment that I use is by Way Hair Care, Jen Atkins brand. She is, you know, a hairstylist to the celebs. I love, 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 love this. I used it actually a few weeks ago for the first time, and I was shocked at how well it worked. I couldn't stop brushing through my hair afterwards because it felt so soft. But it's really cute because it comes in a bunch of these little packets like this. So these are like wonderful for traveling too. So I shampoo my hair, rip this guy open, put it all over my head, and just hang out in the shower for 10 minutes and then rinse it out and then brush through your hair all night. Because that's what I did. So the 5th thing I do is I don't use that much heat on my hair if I don't have to. I don't blow dry my hair. I let it air dry. I use hot tools, but I try to minimize the amount of times I use it. So I'll curl my hair with my straightener, and then I'll use that hairstyle for the next couple days. And then same with straightening my hair too. I'll straighten my hair and wear that hairstyle out and just like fix any pieces that I need to. Every time you run through a strand with that straightener or curling iron, you are damaging your hair, you're drying it out, and you want to keep in that moisture as much as possible. If you do use hot tools, definitely use a heat spray. There's 2 sprays that I use mainly, and it's literally just whatever is closest to me. I like them both equally. The first one is the Caviar Anti-Aging Perfect Iron Spray, heat activated moisture and protection. But this guy protects your hair up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. It works well, and yeah, my hair looks super shiny afterwards. And then the second one is Way's Memory Mist, and I do like the smell of this much better. Oh man, it smells so good. So you spray it all over your hair and then you style it, and it's called Memory Mist because it's supposed to memorize your hair shape until the next wash. So, like, you use it, style it, and then it like stays there forever. But yeah, it's really lightweight too. It feels like a hairspray. Yeah, it's a heat protectant. The last thing I do is I get frequent hair trims, and this really helps with making my hair look super healthy because you don't see those split ends, and that definitely is easier with short hair. I just chop it all off. Any parts that are like dead and fried, I'm like, bam, they're gone. That's it, guys. That's all I got. That's everything that I do and use to make my hair feel pretty good. Hopefully something I said resonated with you guys. Let me know what you think, and I hope you enjoy this video. Bye, guys.